rest in peace. Big L, Big L, rest in peace.
London, y'all don't want no more. London, y'all don't want no more. Yo, I know it's late. I know it's late. But this is hip hop. Hip hop is never too fucking late. If this is hip hop, you know what to say. Oh yeah. Are you with me? Do you want some more London? Sounds like a library to me. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The girls sound louder than the guys. Are you with me, London? All right. Let's do it like this. We're gonna celebrate the life of Guru and Big L at the same time. I made this record for Big L, but we gotta make it for Guru and Big L at this point in time. Put the L up for Big L. With your other hand, point to the sky for Guru. One L, one finger. One L, one finger. Keep it up. Now when you hear me scratch,
Big L,
everybody in this motherfucker better say Guru. Only when you hear
Big L,
only Big L say Guru. You ready? You ready, London? Oh yeah. Let's go.
Big L,
Do it together like you mean this shit, motherfucker. Come on.
Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L, Big.
I said Big L. You ready?
Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L.
Do it together like you fucking mean it, London. Let's go.
Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L. Rest in peace.
Yo, London, make some noise.